Hi friends, today we'll discuss few points related to loan process. These are mostly related to property. So who is the legal heir of this property, legal owner of this property, how to search the title of the property, how to evaluate the property, how to inspect the property, how to get the legal opinion, how to create a right on that collateral. All these things we'll discuss today. So title search means to search the legal owner of the property. So somebody comes with the document and he says, I'm the owner of this property. No, but you have to find out the legal owner of a property. So this will get you the right legal owner. In this search, you'll find out the rightful legal owner. Somebody will make fake documents, somebody will do fake registrations. So while when you go to the register office and get the last 12-13 years of the property transactions on that said property, then you'll be knowing who is the legal owner of the property, how this property has come to them, whether it is from their grandfathers or they bought it in market, how this property has come to other people, maybe father has given to sons. All this will be all these points will be cleared during the title search. Every book will have a title. Same way, every property will have a title. The title is the legal owner of the property. To search the uh, title, this is called title search. Sometimes it may be local, sometimes it may be registered office, sometimes it may be some places they will call it as kata, some uh, areas they'll call it as passbook, EC. So different names will be there. So these title search people, they'll search the title of the property. Title report means legal status of the property related to the information and its ownership. It is a document, it is a report, it will says the related information of the ownership, how this ownership of the property has moved from one to another person in a legal status. So title searchers, these people are the title searchers. These people, what they'll do, they'll locate the public private records and draft a legal description of the property, complete document pertaining to the property, titles and ownership. So for example, one property, they'll have a EC, embarkment certificate, and you'll have a kata. Some areas they'll call it as a passbook, and some areas in every time he is paying the fees or he is paying the tax. So all those documents they'll find out. If it is a layout, whether it is approved layout, if it is a government layout, whether it is approved, how many flats are there, whether he has given the correct flat number or not, whether any double registration is there, everything. Uh, these title search people, they'll find out, and they'll give the correct report to the bank or financial institution, so that tomorrow if the loan is default, then uh, you can sell the property and you can get your proceeds, get your loan. If you are given 10 lakhs loan, if you sold for the property for 11 lakhs or 12 lakhs, so your loan can be closed and remaining amount given to the borrower. So what are the charges? This is only for example I given. So it will be different from organization to organization, bank to bank. So normally these will be done by the lawyers. So valuation of the property. So normally what happens? Person comes with a property and he wants a loan, and he says my property is 2 crores, 5 crores. But the final value of the property will be decided by the bank, a lender. So this property asset, they'll take it as a collateral, then they'll go for the fair market value of the security. Then any same property sold recently in that same area, then they'll find out the uh, price. Then what is the government value? Government will decide every area land price. So they'll take it and they'll finalize. A lender borrower will not finalize the property value. Only banker will finalize the property value by getting market value, government value, deferred value. Then they'll finalize what is the final property value. Property inspection. So he has given documents and he says this is a property value. Whether this property physically available or not, what is the condition, is there any court cases, is there any police cases, or is there any the area is a potential area, tomorrow if you want to sell, buyers will be there or not, all those things will be verified in property inspection. So process will be like I take an example for a building. It is like a verifying the structure, basement, roof, interiors, walls, plumbing works, electrical works, remaining facilities there in the apartment. So this will be a change from the asset to asset. So what types of inspection? It may be, for example, if you are buying a, if you are constructing a house or commercial building or a factory. So before the construction, you will verify. During the construction, you will verify. So after the construction, even when your production is started, or if it is a house, whether who is staying, the owner is staying, or tenant is staying, all those things will be types of inspection. You will come to the place and you will verify. Risk and legal opinion. Activity carried out by the client is legal. So, whatever I'm doing the transaction with the borrower, whether it is a legal or not, it will be decided in the risk and legal opinion. So, purpose will be inform the recipient of the legal effect entering into the proposal transaction. So, if your person is a legal hire and is a legal owner of the property, when your transaction, your proposal is happening, it will be legal. Otherwise, it will become illegal. So, is there any charges? Yes, it will be differ from bank to bank, organization to organization, loan, and it is depend on the loan amount also. Creation of the charge. So borrower and lender agree terms and conditions. Also financial assistance. Borrower want a financial assistance. Then they'll come with some agreement, loan agreement and relevant papers. Some banks they'll take DPN, promissory note, then other thing. So all these documents will be signed and they'll be created a charge on the property. See, for example, if you are giving a collateral as a land, building, gold, then a property you will create a mortgage. If it is a uh, uh, vehicle, then we'll create a hypothecation. If it is a fixed deposit, lien. If it is a LIC bond, assign. This is a type of charge. So when you create a charge on the property, you will get a authority, right? You will get it. Tomorrow, if he's not paying, then you can sell the property and you get back your money. The charge is created asset or property borrowed by the existing a loan agreement, creating a mortgage, if it is a property mortgage, if it is a vehicle, hypothecation, agreements. So favor of the financial institutions and bank. So then banks will get the right, you'll get the attachment. Tomorrow the borrower cannot sell this property to anybody. So in property mortgage, clearly they'll mention this property is mortgages to X bank for this amount. It will be clearly mentioned. Then you'll get a right. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please comment.